Hey y'all, what's the tea? Global Black Pride Atlanta 2024. We did that, didn't we? What a moment in time and what a beautiful celebration. To my girls back home, thank you for bringing your love, your energy, and your pride. And we showed the world what Black joy looks like. We vogued, we marched, and we celebrated together. And tonight, we applaud Atlanta, the city that set this movement on fire. So thank you, Atlanta. Thank you for the life.
Wait a minute. Attendez. Atlanta, that was cute. But Paris, we got something to say.
And what's the name of your house again, girl?
Inspiré par Joséphine Baker, c'est là qui rend hommage. We are the House of Paris, baby.
Now arriving in Paris, it's about to go down.
Ici c'est Paris. Pas celle que tu vois dans les cartes postales. Celle bâtie en rythme et avec résilience. The one that shines because we do.
We've got icons.
Et nous avons nos légendes.
We've got activists who fight through pain, through words and through movements.
Des penseurs et des penseuses qui ont fait de la résistance un art.
We've got leaders who took our stories from the margins to the main stage.
Des militants, des créateurs, des bâtisseurs, noirs, fiers et queer.
We've got movement shakers and truth tellers and people who gave everything for one shot and made it count.
Des générations entières qui ont marché, chanté, aimé pour que nous soyons ici.
Cette fierté noire, c'était joie, ça c'est notre pride.
Et c'est pourquoi nous croyons en Paris 2026, ville de l'amour et de la lumière.
From the ballroom to the bathroom, from the protest to the podium, we've always shown up.
Black, queer, French, free. On est la lumière et la lumière nous appartient.
Global Black Pride, Paris 2026.